That's how you use a lint brush. Just like that. If anybody was wondering how you use a lint brush, that's how you use it. So if you have animals and you need to lint your clothes off, especially your blacks.
It's not really that. The shirt's clean.
Yeah, the shirt's clean. It just has a little bit of fur because the second you walk around, you're covered in hair.
It's from like the fucking washing machine.
Washing machine. Because I don't know how to do laundry. I put the black with the pajamas. I put the pajamas with the fuzzies. I put the fuzzies with the fuzzies. And I mix it all around. I don't put the whites by itself. I put it all fucking together. And that's how I do my laundry. So if the whites turn pink or red, that's on you because I don't have time to separate.
That's plenty of time, man.
I don't have time to separate. No, I fucking do not. I don't have enough laundry to separate white laundry.
There you go.
I'm ready.